Destination 3, Moncada, Tarlac. 88 Coffee is one of the famous coffee shop here at Moncada, Tarlac because as low as 88 pesos is matitikman mo na yung masarap na coffee nila. And guess what? Hindi lang coffee ang ino-offer nila, meron din bread and snack. Kaya let's go.
Usually visit this destination?
Mga mahilig mag-chill, mahilig magkape, and mahilig mag-relax.
Do you practice any sustainable measures in this area?
Yung pinapractice namin is may waste segregation kami and gumagamit kami ng paper plates kapag serve namin ng mga bread.
What activity or experiences do visitors commonly look for here?
Yung mga nilolook forward ng mga visitor or customer is yung affordable price but quality drinks namin and yung ambience din kaya binabalik-balikan ng 88 Coffee.
Ate, what activities or services does this destination offer?
Minsan yung mga foreigner, yung bumibisita dito. Tapos, karaniwang yung mga galing sa ibang bansa, mga ganun. Binibisita nila yung 88 Coffee kasi maraming tanong-tanong na masarap daw ang 88 Coffee. Kaya sila pumupunta dito. Destination, di ba?
Anong ino-offer niyo pong activities or services?
May mga saxophone na live tapos yung mga live band ka na dito. Tuwing Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Thank you po.
What modes of transportation do visitors commonly use to get here?
Since malapit lang talaga siya sa school, pwede na lagarin kasi walking distance lang talaga ang 88 Coffee. If medyo malayo ka naman, pwede personal transportation yung gamitin mo.